Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are working with BPMN or Visio, today's video is gonna blow your mind. We are not just building basic BPMN diagrams from Excel, but we are going to have a full advanced mode with task type, different events, and a lot more. So normally, when we export Excel data into Visio, we get stuck with basic BPMN shapes: task, gateway, intermediate event, end event, start event, collapse process, message, data store, and data object. That's great for simple flows, but what about real world business processes? We need more muscles like manual tasks, service tasks, signal, condition, and messages. And that's where Visio falls short by default while exporting from Excel. I have created one order procurement BPMN sample Excel sheet in which I have added all advanced shapes like user task, manual task, again boundary error event. And if you see, without customization, we can't add these critical elements directly from Excel. I have integrated the same Excel file into the Visio, but if you see, we need to customize them manually. Check availability is user task, and we need to go into task type and assign it to user. And this we need to do all manual processes. Like see, for inform customer, it's also user task. Again, remove article from catalog is manual task. Then we do have late delivery event is escalation event, and undeliverable event is error. To solve all these manual customization, I have created one custom Visio BPMN stencil, which I use for my Visio. And this stencil has everything: advanced task type, message events, sub-processes. You just need to load it into your Visio and map them with your Excel data to advanced shapes like a pro. I will share same stencil with you. You just need to go into more shapes, click on open stencil, and open the same stencil. I already have added BPMN 2.0 advanced shape stencil into my Visio, so I don't need to open it and load it right now. Using my stencil, we'll quickly create a new Visio file or Visio process. Let's do it. Here you have to use BPMN basic shapes for start and end event and sub process. After that, go to more shapes, my shapes, and BPMN 2.0 advanced shapes, and integrate them with corresponding shape types: service, then user, manual. We do have gateway, exclusive gateway, then escalation, then interrupted, then error. Click on next, condition labels. And here it is, a professional grade BPMN diagram built completely from Excel, but with all the advanced shapes mapped and formatted perfectly. And the best part, no repetitive drag and drop, no manual tweaks. This method is efficient, scalable, and fully BPMN compliant. Let's recap our process. We just need to have an Excel sheet. We need to have a task type into our Excel sheet. You need to load my custom stencil into your Visio and map your data to advanced shapes. And that's it. You got a killer BPMN diagram straight from Excel. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more Visio automation tricks, and don't forget to comment, send me the stencil if you want it. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a workflow hack again. Thank you. Stay tuned for my next video.